When you are in demand for a heavy-duty blade for thick stock laminates, Freud's innovative thick stock laminate blade is a solution for you. Available in sizes of 8, 9, 10, 12, and 14 inches. The LU92 series allows you to cut stacked laminates and melamine. It has a full curved TiCo Carbide tooth with a modified TCG that can be sharpened up to 10 times. It is suited with Freud's anti-vibration technology that stabilizes the blade for smooth, clean cuts, and a silver ice coating to keep the blade cool during industrial cutting. The LU92 blade is ideal for woodworkers who need fast cuts and thick stacked materials with exceptional finishes. Sawblade.com carries an extensive inventory of Freud, as well as a wide range of high-quality sawing products. So log on to Sawblade.com for all your sawing needs, from bandsaw blades, circular blades, coolant, and replacement parts. Sawblade.com, simply the best in performance sawing products.